It's me, Rosemary Gaming, and today we're going to play Arsenal Part 2.
Oh, come on.
And today, we're doing this looks like the dust map. So, let's pick red. I want to be red. Okay, let's play. Alright, let's play. Let's kill blue. Oh my goodness, the plane landed there. Okay. Oh, I killed him. Okay, whoops. It must have died and then I killed him. Whoa! I can get him. Wait, can I go on top of the building? I can go on top of the building. Woohoo! Okay, shh. Oh, here's one. I could have killed him, but the other guy killed him. Oh my goodness, no, I don't like this one. Die. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Okay, let's go find people, I guess. Oh my goodness. I just got a new gun. Get. Turn that down. Turn it down. Oh my goodness, I got a new gun. What the heck? I don't know how that happened. Ooh, I love this gun. Killed King. It makes you very slow though. Makes you very slow. Can't even jump with it. I died. Ooh, I love this gun. I like this gun. Oh no, heck no. Get away from me. So I stand here till I get killed. Pizza! You eat pizza! Eat pizza! Eat your pizza, boy. Eat your pizza! Eat your pizza! Ugh! Like your world. Why don't you want pizza? They probably got guns already. Eat your pizza! Eat! Kings! Okay, guys. I keep dying. I don't know why. Why am I super slow, Maggie? Oof. Okay. Joe, where are you? Oh, gun. Ah! You guys stole my kill. Kill Joe. Got her. Wait, can I have a new gun yet? Can I have a new gun yet? This one sucks. We don't have school today, yep. Because it's Saturday. Kill King. Get him. Okay. Got him. You got toilet paper? What? Oh, I got toilet paper too. Oh, I got double guns. Oh, these guys rule. What the heck? He was my own team, though. Okay. Can I kill my own team? No. Whatever. Okay, guys. Oh, we got a new gun. Okay. Yeah. We got him. Kill Joe. Kill King and Joe. King died. Hey. Got her. Wait. What the heck? It won't let me get her. It won't let me get her. Oh my goodness. My thing's like, you guys see this? Okay, let's go over here and see if we can kill anybody. Oh, I see Joe. It makes you super slow. I hate it. What? I couldn't even get any kill. Good job, Joe. Good job. The winner is fixed slot. Red team won. Whoop whoop.
No, we won.
You're second place and we're first. Haha. Agency, pick agency. We'll play one more round and end the video. Okay, my thing's a lot laggy. Oh, I see you trying to kill me.
I'm gonna eat lunch.
She's gonna go eat lunch. Guys, we're level 22. So close to level 23. Okay, let's check our locker up. See if we have any more characters we can use. I don't know what that means. Oh, what color? I don't know. Check what I said. Yellow and rainbow. You are not it. Sorry, I'm pick blue. What the heck? That was weird. Get him. Kill him on your pizza. I pick blue. Pick red. Pick red. Pick red today. Woo! Woo! Where is the red team? I need to kill them. I see Joe. Let's get her. No, it's my kill. It's my kill. Seriously, dude, that was my kill. The guy that was in front of me tried to kill you. I was like, that's my kill. I should have wrote it in chat. Why do I still have pizza? I don't want pizza. I want a gun. Got him. Alright guys, let's go over here. Sorry I'm not talking. I missed up. Man, this one's hard. Uh-oh, I got caps lock. Okay, come on. Okay, what the? I'm so lagging. I'm lagging still. Yeah. I'm going to the toilet. Oh man. It won't let me in. It won't let me in. What? Do I have to keep clicking? Man, that sucks. Okay. I don't know. I thought this was like a torture or something. Like the fire gun. Okay, let's go over here, guys. Alright, King, where are you? Are you dying? Oh, I died. By the lit Ambum? I don't know. Oh, okay. I went out to the thing and I was like, what? I can't find red team, guys. I can't find red to kill. Well, obviously they can, but I can't. I can't find anyone to kill. Okay, guys, let's go over here. Oh, I found one. Got him. Oh, that guy got him. Careful, guys. Whatever you're cooking. Oh, Panda Angel got him. Got the whole thing. Guys, I'm ending the video. Guys, time to end the video. Well, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and like button and turn on notifications for free. It's not for free. It just helps us out. And join the Rosie Squad today and turn on notifications if you want more videos just like this. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!